everybody. I'm outside here today doing some car camping on New Year's Eve with my mom and her dog Dixie. She already has her tent set up. We brought a pop-up gazebo as well, just to have a little bit of a setup area because it is going to rain all day here in about an hour. It's supposed to, at least. I still need to figure out where I'm going to set up my hammock. And I also have a new 10 by 15 tarp, which is probably going to end up being a little bit bigger than I was wanting, but it was on sale, so I ended up buying it. So I still need to set up that tarp, maybe another tarp to cover her tent too. And I'll probably put my hammock somewhere over there that's close by. And then the star of the show today, Dixie here. This is her first adventure. So far she's doing all right, other than the massive anxiety she had on the 45-minute drive here. She doesn't do very well on car rides. But alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish setting up camp, and then we are going to eat some hot dogs, I think. So, see you after a while. Well, my mom took the dog for a walk down the road a bit. And I got my hammock set up. The tarp's kind of a little janky over here because of this tree, but that's fine. That'll shoot all the water right over there. And will keep me nice and dry for the night, so that's all I need. So now we just need to get up some wood and get the fire going, get some food going.
Look at that, I think it's done.
That side's not. Alright, we got a fire going and we're currently cooking some hot dogs. I made a massive blunder. No, that's all you. I made a massive blunder and forgot my cooking grate. So we have steak and potatoes with us. And I don't know about you, but when you have the choice between steak and potatoes or hot dogs, well, we might have to just throw the steaks directly on the coals, or we'll just live off the hot dogs, and the steaks will just have to wait till we get back home. So, Dixie, how you doing? Dixie's hanging in there. She's not used to being anywhere other than sleeping at home on the couch.
It's burned on one end.
Yeah, well, that's how it goes. So I think the plan is we're gonna wrap the steaks in foil and just toss them in the fire here after a while. Problem is the rain is coming down a little harder than I expected it to, so we're gonna have to find more wood to build the fire back up. Got the steaks and the potatoes in the fire, so hopefully they will be nice and delicious. I've never cooked the steak this way, but I'm sure it'll probably be alright, I hope. But, yeah. Rain's still coming down pretty good.
It's hard. It's so hard I can't get the fork.
What is it, hard as a rock?
Yes. I need more room.
Yeah, because by the way, these were already baked potatoes. And so the plan was just to reheat them. Wait, so is it just not cooked enough? Do you think it just needs to be back on there?
No, I don't. Let's see. No, they're done inside.
Like edible done?
Yeah, I think if you just don't eat the skin, you're good. No, they're done.
Of course, I've already started digging into it, but that's what we got here. Turned out decent actually. The outside of the potato might be hard as stone, but the inside tastes okay.
That's good.
Yeah, the steak's good. How you doing, Dixie Dog? Not a comfortable little doggy down there. I'm fighting to try to keep the fire alive. Alright, we got about an hour left until New Year hits, until midnight. So I'm hoping that this fire will... Damn it. I didn't even think about fireworks, and this little girl here does not like them very much. So, kind of just watching her for now. She's a little shaky earlier.
Either.
Yeah.
I
But-
figured there might be a couple gunshots at midnight. That's it.
But yeah, we have about an hour left until midnight and the end of 2022. So that's probably when I'll see you next. And I forgot my mom brought some of this Jiffy Pop. As much fun to make as it is to eat. It's in this like aluminum skillet looking thing, but it says gas range or camp stove only. Do not use on a campfire or charcoal grill or other uneven heat. So of course that's what we're gonna do. Toss it right down here on the campfire
This isn't working.
and see how it goes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh well, we'll figure out how to rescue that once they start popping. We'll see what goes on. That's going to be our New Year's Eve fireworks. Is going to be the popcorn popping. Oh, you're supposed to shake it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. The directions said to. Also, you're supposed to hold on to the handle the whole time. And oh well. Well, it's going to be great. All right. This says. When sizzling sound is heard, you're supposed to continuously shake the pan in a very fast circular back and forth motions until foil is fully expanded, 4 to 7 minutes. So you gotta shake this thing apparently for 4 to 7 minutes very fast without it going all over the place on this fire. That's well, it's actually doing something, isn't it? Isn't the foil starting to
burning.
it probably is gonna burn, but it you're a good girl.
We got a hole in it.
Yeah, I think the foil came undone over there and it's just popping out everywhere. Alright, it is midnight. Happy New Year, everybody. Of course, once you see this video, will have already been probably a couple days or so. So I hope you had a good holiday and New Year. A bunch of people are setting off fireworks all over the place, which I actually did not expect out here. The dog, though, she's doing pretty well. Especially right now that there's popcorn. Definitely got only about 25% popped and then lost 50% of what we did pop, but it was fun. Alright guys, it is bedtime. It's probably like 12:30, so we stayed up just to the point of New Year's, and now we're going to call it a wrap, so I will see you all in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It is now 2023. Slept very well in the hammock last night and got down to somewhere in the 40s, but I slept pretty warm. So, time to get some coffee or hot cocoa or something going.
What do I do with them when they're dry? I mean, when they're done. Broke.
Just stack them up somewhere that's not too wet.
Well, that's good.
Breaking up sticks for the twig stove, and somebody's getting a little excited. She thinks they're for her. Good catch. Almost breakfast time. Gonna have, oh, if I don't fall over, granola with milk and blueberries. Granola with milk and blueberries. I've had it before, it's decent. And then I'm gonna have some either hot chocolate or mocha instant powder stuff. So Dixie. Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce my mom. Mom, say hi to everybody.
Oh, Lord. Hi.
Dixie, say hi. Alright, we are packed up and heading out. So that's the end of this adventure. Happy holidays and Happy New Year again to everybody. This isn't my typical type of video, but this was kind of a spur of the moment trip. I decided I wanted to go camping at least one more time in 2022. So, and the reason I did it like right here beside the road is I've been kind of just avoiding camping lately because the areas where I camp, like this place, are heavily hunted areas. We actually heard gunshots throughout yesterday and today, so I just wanted to play it safe. Camp by the road with an obviously visible camp, you know, big blue gazebo thing and all that stuff, so you know, probably safe to be right here, or at least safer than going out in the woods. But it won't be long, I'll be back to regular camping. So alright, hope you enjoyed. Stay safe, have a good one. Thanks. And we'll let Dixie say goodbye. Dixie, come here.
Oh, say goodbye to everybody.